Welcome to Relevic Editor. Let's see how to use pre-built assets to speed up your work. On the left-hand menu, you'll find an option called Prebuilt Assets. Click on it. Here, you have multiple options. All Assets, My Assets, which you've created, and other pre-built assets provided by Relevic Editor. These pre-built assets are designed to make your work faster and easier. Here in the pop-up, you have two options. You can either select a layout and make it your own, or choose from the pre-designed options. In this example, we'll use a pre-designed pop-up. Simply drag and drop it onto your web page and wait for a second. And just like that, it appears instantly on your page, ready for editing. Now you can make any adjustments you need, like changing the text colors or layout to match your page design. Once you're satisfied, publish this pre-built asset. After that, you can check how it looks on your page by clicking on the Preview button. Here, you can see exactly how it appears and fits with your design. Start using Relevic today to quickly add pre-built assets and speed up your website design.